doing a bathroom visit. This is my personal bathroom. We have 2 bathrooms in the apartment. The other one belongs to the child. Wonderful mirror. Whoa. I can't see myself. Like it's an angle where, oh, that's crazy. Okay, so all of my stuff is on this handy caddy with these matching baskets. It's sort of overdone. It's overwhelming. I'm going to cut all the talking out of this, maybe. Probably not, because I don't know how to do that. This is a new thing I just got. I really like the packaging, as you can see. It is simply these really pretty tips. They are a matte. They're really like almost rubber feeling. A couple of them. The tortoiseshell ones and that. The only thing growing right now is some lettuce. I just replanted those all yesterday, so it's very exciting. The best smelling hand stuff. This is the makeup eraser. It takes all the stuff off your face. Oh, I need to clean it. Very good stuff. Day and, or going out and staying in. This right here goes on your bathtub, when you're in the bathtub, obviously. You can open it up and move it, read, or put your device on there. This actually goes there when I'm in the tub. This I use for my flowers and my herbs that I put in the bathtub. That is Palo Santo. It's my favorite smelling, like, incensey thing. That is a heat lamp. It's also the fan. It works to keep you warm and to kill mold, because this is like a very in the middle of the bottom of the basement of a 3rd-story apartment bathroom. But there's no mold or anything. Like, I don't have any issues with it. Anyway, I think that stuff helps. Then I got these nice lights. Ooh, very bright.